Hi everyone. So this is a continuation of an introduction to Jets using building a CRUD tutorial basically. In this video, I thought it would be actually useful to show you how to debug when there are errors. That's actually something very useful to know how to do generally as a coder. So alright, so it's actually pretty simple to do. So this is going to be a pretty quick video. Here is the host controller that we've been working with. I'm going to go ahead and start up a server. Okay, and I'm gonna start it on. I'm gonna bind it again to host 000 because I'm on cloud 9 here, and I've already kind of pointed DNS record to this. So let's go ahead and start taking a look now. I think that was called crud.demo. There we go. Post. Okay, so cool. So that should load up here. All right, so there is our app. All right, so let's go ahead and crash this. Let's raise the roof. Let's raise the roof there. Let's refresh it. So this should crash. So the roof has been rose. Okay, so here there's the error in the browser, and there's also the error right here. If I expand this, I just screw up. You can see the error right here. It says right there, runtime error. The roof has been raised, and the controller it says on line number 7 right here, right? So go ahead. Let's go ahead now and mimic this. Actually, let's reproduce this remotely. So remotely, the app has already been deployed. Here's the app right here, and well, that was a previous error that I had shown you, or I was trying out. But anyway, so here is the app right now, and it's working right now. So we're going to actually raise my kids here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and deploy this. Let's kill this guy, Jets deploy. So the deployment here is going to take about a minute and a half or so. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video so you guys don't have to wait and continue. Okay, so the deployment is finished. It took about a minute and a half or so to finish. So now that is up now. So this application should crash now. So let's see what crash looks like. So, oh, I forgot to press enter. Here we go. Okay, internal server error. Oh no. Okay, so what happened? So how do we debug this? Let's we debug it by going to AWS the console here and looking at actually CloudWatch. So let's go take a look at CloudWatch. So let's click on CloudWatch. And this is one way to get to it, but there are other ways. I'm going to show you both ways to get to it. So here's the CloudWatch right here. We can click on index right here. And then here we can click search log group. And then I like to scope it to like the last 30 seconds. So you can see, I guess it wasn't enough. So let's do the last 5 minutes. Okay, so here you can see erase my kids. You can see it right there. Here's the error stack trace right there. So sometimes I click on text here. Just expand this like a log. So you get still the full error here. Here's the Ruby error, and here is the error, and here's the line number on line number 7, which is exactly where we inserted our code here to break this application on purpose. Okay, so that's one way to check the logs right there. You can also check out, you can get to CloudWatch on Lambda too. So why don't we go through Lambda and go through CloudWatch that way? Then then I'll show you a third additional way to check on this. Okay, so let's go check on index. We'll go here, then it's under monitoring. And right here, invocations, you can click on view and logs, and you can go click on AWS Lambda logs right there. That opens up another window. And then you can see, we have to scope it to time again, relative 5 minutes. And we can see the same error in my kids right there. Okay, so the third way to kind of show you this is actually, we can just actually test the Lambda function from here. And then there, it shows the failure right here, and kind of surfaces right there, and it shows you the exact line number right there. So that is how you would debug this, right? So if you have any kind of errors in your code, well, you want to look at the logs, right? And the logs are kind of it's pretty straightforward. You can see it in the AWS console right now here, or you can see in the CloudWatch logs right here. You can click on this text; it's usually pretty helpful. All right. So that was a short, quick video to show you how to debug because it's actually pretty straightforward. It's all pretty much in the logs. Locally, it's right there, and on AWS Lambda, it's all in CloudWatch right there. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you like videos like this, like it and share it to encourage more content like this, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Cheers.